Now today we have a real treat in store. This is the first really hot day of the year, and we plan on road testing out our summer riding gear for the first time this year. And we're still waiting for our muffler, and I'm hoping sooner or later we're going to get that muffler. That'll really put the final cherry on a sundae on the FZR. But you know what? When we were riding it the last couple days, nobody even noticed. They're so obsessed with looking at trying to find a scratch in the paint, I guess. Anyway, it is a heavenly day, and after a very long winter and a big rainy season where we had record rainfall for almost a month, it's good to see the sunshine. And it'll be good getting back to our normal rotation, normal pitching rotation, getting to ride all the bikes we enjoy so much. And just this morning, our friend Scott sent me pictures of a bike he just bought. He's going to be coming from Denver, Colorado, the Denver area, to visit Luciano and I this summer. And we wish him luck in setting the bike up and, of course, a very pleasant ride. Now, I was out in the Denver area for about 10 days visiting my son, who lives right there, and I wish I would have had a motorcycle. It was really a beautiful area to ride. Unfortunately, I didn't have a motorcycle. I had an SUV. So now, as we always do every morning, we have to make that critical decision. It's critical. Which bike do we want to take on our ride today? I'll ask the fish. What do you think? Just feed us more food. So here's the trade-off on a day like today. It's supposed to be thunder showers this afternoon, but it's really hot. And when it's really hot, it's nice to be out on a bike that's out in the open. No fairing, no windshield to block the air. So it's a little bit nicer on a day like today to have a bike like the GS. Look, it's snowing something here. I don't know what. It's snowing leaves or flowers or something. Right here you have the world's luckiest turtle. I just picked him out of the middle of the road. As cars are going by, he doesn't seem to want to come out of his shell now and say hello to me. video. This grill has been with me since 1982, and every time I ride it, it brings back a lot of memories. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.